Fáilte Ash go How to Gael. We have teamed up with Fáilte Ireland to help you keep discovering everything our gorgeous island has to offer.
And Ish Gohfuil on Saura Builtiling, there's no better time to get planning your short break. Teichig, discoverireland.ie for ideas that'll get you and your friends planning your next big adventure. Tamarala Tashachan to Spragala Dulatastal.
Oh, as Doireann would say herself. Now, Mazrade Gohfuil on Schlian Atlantic Eon Odogleoch. How about a visit to the Ackle Experience in Chuntevrio? Part aquarium, gals, part history hub if you don't mind. Or you can head to Carnog Veva Ishligok for myths and watching the world go by.
Or if it's a trip east that is on your list, then Yartla Feckal in Ireland's ancient east. Wander through the Marina Market in Cork City, grab a bite, support local makers. Newmas Tiberdoran on Cairns Creepathagut. Why not walk the ancient path of St. Declan's Way?
Sinead trust boher Ella Tammy Dullah Shul Shlee Nave Declan Akali Nadarudagi Gohfuil Kushlan Valihline a Guntandami and Chomakiana where history meets pop culture. It is also the location for the Traitors Ireland.
Whoa.
Fun little fact. New you can make your way up the Sea Loud Trail for scenic food stops all along the coast.
Yum, yum, yum. Decalicious. Now, Colleen, not grave our dross, good gree all to Kilt and hair and Gaheave and gals, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It really was.
Bob.
On Quidis Farlum was, just in quality time on Turgun Kayla and Moher Kayla.
Oh my God.
Like butter wouldn't melt.
I know. Speaking of butter, on Rudis Far Lumsa, Yennemer, not on wrong Bokala. I haven't stopped making soda bread since. It's a real problem.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
I sampled it. It's good. You're getting good now, girl.
Yeah, the cocktail.
Well, Joanne and Rud Abansa Lumsa, I have to say, was discovering a new skill that I am actually a very proficient zipliner.
Well, you are, because the froze new come to come
Go
on.
on.
1, 2 zip of you.
Love
Oh.
it. Absolutely. So what are you waiting for? Plan your short break at discoverireland.ie and keep discovering the stories, surprises and soul of Ireland.
Sinead Gadirach Shiva August there in Quinniger of Vegach Triocht in Erin.
Whoa.
Oh!
There is nothing like an Irish summer, Colleen, the fail to kill and the barbecues.
My favourite, na piant spontaneach le corda and ig na hibre.
Credit to us. We are good for that and for making the most on the longer days because we all know this weather is prone to change.
But sure, every day is a lovely day for a Guinness.
I know, law bra or fag Guinness, Saula Guinness Shea Colini, a lovely smooth creamy pint, taking it all in at a festival.
Oh, Colony, I feel like we're going to make such unreal memories this summer. And sure, with a Guinness in your hand, nothing can go wrong. Sitting around chatting with friends, I cannot wait.
Rain or shine this summer, ag fail to kill, Savalet Nusafop, every day is a lovely day for a Guinness. Now, let the carda.
But be sure to get the facts and drink aware. You can visit drinkaware.ie.
Dívex Fáilterov, Arashkli, How to Gael, Lumsa Doireann.
Lumsa Shiva.
Agus Lumsa Louise, got Sasha gals.
Oh my God.
Good heaving.
Yeah,
actually.
I'm after putting on a layer tan, my sweaty, my fluch on shower. I jumped out of the shower to get on this recording session and to make it a bit yucky now and fell over, to be honest.
You're a bit
Sorry,
of a
can I just
flirty in it.
say, I'm obsessed with the fact your t-shirt says NYC Studios. It says so well to actually in a studio in New York City, on brand, girl.
I'm telling you.
Just Erog and the Hogla knock out Rá to Kiko Fowles and Agron,
I know.
She now only wears branded clothing where she is.
Well, a rare for my Machagorby Meg Rode Brand. I had a couple of Aparos births at Carla Monique, and then I came home and I had like if you make your little chulla galua, but I like went into bed. I had like I have these protein waffles or madden, and I was like with some fruit, and I was like, oh my God, I was like, I am in my single girl NYC era and loving it.
Oh, do you know what? V Misha Charlie XCX are le Corey Shiva, and girls, this never happens. But Nilis Kamkonis, Tom fresh enough, Cake Rafe Golder Air, and I'm like, what? Do I just lean into it? It's bad. Have you ever not gotten a hangover?
Cain Town Ganyok? Very rarely. Cain Town Ganyok through colour?
Laura Trisha Doe.
Oh. Don't question it. Don't look it straight in the eyes. Like Thor Buickis, done a Deha Owl and Lannert,
Yeah, I'm actually delighted. So Nilis Kamkonis no Cain Fall, but anyway, I'm like, will I go to the gym? I went to get my eyebrows done.
No, that's on a Ulvinuk. I'm going to be Charlie, become a fucking Untuk Aaron Gelker. I'm kind of making you all like top 10 gigs of their lives.
Okay, Nidolam Grev she announced in top 10 gigs of my life,
Really?
to be honest. So she auto-tuned to fuck, like, sorry now, gals, she is. I
It's
know
an
what you
effect.
didn't quit and stick,
Yeah,
like, it's all
it's an effect.
right? This come. August, so she bra now, like, show her in Stoicha. 100%. The choreo is just her strutting up and back and up and back. Little twerk, strut. Anava, like, Anava. party vibe, but like, oh, hey, Kjolde, I don't know. Like, I'd love a Damien Dempsey gig would be better in Mahurim.
Well, I mean,
I thought it was kind of gas. Her like she has. Did she have? Is it my imagination, or did she have a little mala on her shoulder the whole time? Alan Doireann Glock on.
I was going to say you're confusing her with me.
Very Darren coded.
In she mar even scale sin Aaron Bushcrail about Darren's little handbag.
Neil actually, ní dóile mé, well, Beidir actually.
Oh, right. Anyway, they were in a curve they to law her and she had her little handbag over her shoulder. It was the cutest thing in the world.
We're like MC.
It was a new handbag and I was obviously very proud of it. You know, like when you're a little kid and you have like a new little accessory. So
oh my God, it's Queen of Nervy Misha Og for my like handbag nua, like me Anna Og and for my handbag nua and Cock me got Afrade, right? And now we may Og like cared of Yups and Yochs obviously shite and could make Afrade August feel me like course and if he's a year and Afrade and lock in and she's like, oh, it's on the wall, I cared that out and I was like, oh, just like some fake money and a toy and she was like, weird. She's like, okay, weirdo. I was like, but Karen, if you're talking, be like a hook. Karen, if you're talking about like,
oh,
does she
calling you out on that?
I know, yeah, I know. She was like, okay.
I actually think Neil Rutherby is Gloita. No, like Poshty, I thought, with the little high heels and the little molly. I just think it was actually sweet, I guess all like. But our Queen lived near Vimar Dana von Shoot-Chin, the Irish Examiner, was it? On cover shoot, I guess we stylist to go in. So we had all this clothes to choose from. We were styled for the shoot. And Doireann was styled in this little frock that had a matching handbag. And we were trying to make her do the shoot with her little dress and matching bag. Because we just unrun this gloitery of Doireann, you were like a little Polly Pocket.
I know. Why am I that person anyway?
But why are you so cute? It was doty, wasn't it? Come on.
Oh, okay, I'll take cute over being a mean girl any day.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Right, any nuacht doing before we jump into topping Shachtana?
Cúi mé go media premiere Modern of 28 years later, Mata make her Danny Boyle fui aglav on Dara Shockmashaw or R&AM. Is Stjorhor he directed like Train Spotting, The Beach, 28 Days Later, 28 years later. August fui down good days on Agron Amok by on Togla Parish, but I'm really excited. I'm a bit of it's Brawlham Sconon. It's Brawlham just Sconon Taj ain't the guess. So I'm kind of very excited. Let occur fui aglav. It's gone on really good, but it's a zombie movie. I don't know kind of what he into fui zombie movies. I watch zombie movies and I go, I don't want to be like a part of that. Like I don't need to be a doomsday prepper. I don't have a plan. Like stop the world, I'll get off against that shit. I don't have a need to like hide and run and do the whole combat thing. I'm good. Yes. I'm done. You know,
100%. I'd be right there with you. It's Malam Danny Boyle. It's Malam on Gahara and Train Spotting era. Obviously he's fucking deadly. Very neat. I would love to know what he thinks of Kneecap because Gachard Tarlu, because obviously they've been so heavily inspired by his work in Glasgow. Gachard.
Girl, Fitzroy Melesh.
Yeah. She's not exciting. Very big A-list celebrity, big meaty interview.
I know.
Yeah.
I know, I'm really, really buzzing like. So, Agus Nirvak like Uchther Gwen Safficterlin, it was a real like preview for those who were interviewing him. So I felt like I was kind of pinching myself. But yeah, by Deshcom Keshkar for Kneecap. New Ain Rodella, a written live colony by Antogla Virginia and Sarin. So, my written Ain Keshna Ella live be a dagball. Yeah.
Oh, damage.
Not bad. If we scale a gumsa, which gur dort my lesh the lads and party duns that I would share. Tommy Jenov Ihan to well God, by the time this comes out, it's gonna be my last Iha Yaunig in Barty Duns and our A-story Americana. Sorry, I'm messing with a class here. The sound is gonna be all over the place. So and then I thought people are Midtown Manhattan. Call yourself, or you better call down to Barty Jones. Stay down in Yorkshire. I guess Sheikhlog local time. Sorry, can you hear that traffic? What a dose.
Oh my God, we get it. You're in New York.
It's ambient, Doireann. It's ambient. Abrilam on Ref for Lat and Bartley John there and down. Did I hear a little Lorna cupcake Cantman?
I literally just texted her because I was going to meet her enough tá Shanachí ar siúl, so tá mechan bol mafag spúdala Kieran ar bail, but tá si a dul gordinéir le clown a buchale. So sorry, there you go. I'm giving you updates on your own family over here.
Well, Gurmagat, at least someone is.
I know. There you go. Listen, I'm keeping tabs on all the cancelings. I have to check in Laila Lee of Howland, Dubai, and I'll have you all then.
You'll have us all sussed, yeah, in fairness. Well, they're all flying it. If I get... My mother's flat out lighting candles, lads. This is the latest thing now. They've gone from the going to the removals to lighting candles now. I get a big tour of a little Shapel Gachlaw with candles. They're lost this, so tell you. You keep an eye on everyone, dear, and she'll light a candle for you.
Okay, right. Well, do you know what? How bad? I've actually... Well, no, I was going to say I lit a couple of candles for people lately, even though not graduating to kind of rush in. But I think it is such a lovely thing to do, isn't it? It's very
I love it. I always like candles.
Yeah.
I lit them for you all at the weekend. I went into... is it called Whitefriar Church there, where St. Valentine's remains are in Dublin? It's just there on one of the streets.
One of the streets.
One of the streets of the city. It is a fine church. And in we went anyway. And I lit you all a few candles. But is it nice? It's no Stase, isn't it?
Yeah, Massam Gerba. Ag snach Bhí me caint ban theologian dar bhanim nóirí ní rian agus bhí si géint dom scéal me ala sa bhéal lidis, you know, go bhfuil cingel an notion sin go cingel ar lasa do gacha inge huas ar nav agus go bhfuil de cingel ar like agus an son nar a hagan, you know, deir le the sale go gurtar amach an cingel, but go bhfuil but an notion sin, you know, go bhfuil rad hail nu go bhfuil fiú you know, goil sé fád bra ar cingel nu ar lasán beag rud atá anna himúil agus doty.
Yeah.
God, we're really leaning into the doty vibes enough, Nafuil.
We are.
Well, listen, down you trot to St. Patrick's Cathedral with your little handbag on and light us a candle.
I know. I just have to...
Handbag and clogs. Can't date it, you know?
Handbag and clogs. Girls, I will say I do think the clogs are going into retirement now. I've worn them to death.
No.
Yeah. No, Tashid Irish kind of meechan pórdach now. I might get a new pair. They were the perfect going out shoe because Nira she had Anna Ard, you know, agus Vishi compordach. But now, no, she was like holding a laugh there, saying they're not the perfect going out shoe.
I just don't think a perfect going out shoe has a wooden sole. I'm sorry, okay?
But they're...
Listen, you might need to do a quick step, you know, you might need to step it out, do an El Shano step.
You might need to pick some tulips in Amsterdam. Who knows, you know, any occasion could arise.
Guys, is there nothing to be said for personal style anymore? But anyway, look.
Well, do you know what now? I have a question to ask. Shiva's very stylish friend, Sinead, Vishek, Charlie XCX, Herrera, Kahov, jorts. Where do we stand on long jorts?
So
I actually have
he failed me to cough.
Yeah.
Oh!
I have a pair.
No,
I regret buying them because I'm not Neil Machusa Fada Gohan Dove.
Well, like Neil May a Gwynna jorts. I just don't think gur féid lumsa í de cathab. I just don't think a will an cro. Yeah, I don't know. Tá Sinead kind of fada mar Gwynna. I'd think of eight de cathab. Just fucker me to Eshkintert.
See, I would say, girls, I think jorts are a mindset. Do you know what I mean? It's not about your body. Everybody looks a bit mad in them, like they're not a flattering garment. So you need to wear it with confidence. It's like the clog. You need to commit.
No, Louise. Airsa and Van atá cosa cuig tricky. Like, obviously you can wear jorts. You have legs up to your armpits. Like, by Tusa Bra.
No, but a George is not going to look good on any type of leg, I don't think. I just think it's a weird owl kind of a, you know, middle point between a jean and a short and like, you know, what's going on there. They're just, like, no one looks good when they're fucking cut off above the knee. Like, now, sorry, if you love a knee like
below the knee, no.
It's kind of on the knee, isn't it?
It's kind of on the knee. It makes everybody look a bit putty. Putty. Like, Sinead's like, Massam Gerbeshin, focal machige, like, nar erdu size putty, you know, or butty, or, you know.
Let me tell you, there was nothing putty about Sinead in age. She, a black woman, could wear a black bag and look fantastic.
Like, she's a professional fucking stylist or whatever. Like, so, you know, come on, we can't compare ourselves to the professionals.
Fair.
Rát go got there in Gerbagat.
There you go, guys. Okay, look, you know, come to me for all your fashion and clog needs. Okay. Colleen, we have some housekeeping. Have you run scale to rum?
Yeah, so vi shivid dang violin Gurmila Magwave, lads. We love when you drop us a few comments. Cian O'Grifa said, oh my god, not Najora, actually a mahula geisteach to Doireann ag kaint fui hocht and common Lucas Gael. Doireann, you were bearing your heart in your sleeve there and tacht and
Girls, you know me, everything is a precursor to my run for the Shannon, you know.
Honestly, Bhí me churan agur, for me didn't have na foiil ar an reel, and I was like, Jesus, tá an piece of shit cook.
No, there you go.
Fair play agus gur aga go cían. Agus freisin bhí sinnéad a dang bhálinn agus this was at the How to Keep Discovering episode. Agus dúirt she, the guide in King Boyle House was Mary Lavin. So shout out to Mary Lavin. What a queen. That was the person Doireann and I were talking about that just left such an effect on us, didn't she?
She was a doty. Now she was very cute.
She was very cute.
Now, she should wear her handbag over her shoulder, God Goddain Street, right? She can get away with that now.
And her little pearl.
Yeah. And then Curmer bonus episode amach on Príomh feed agus bhí mar gléir faoi na Caisleán is Farlin agus na Ruins is Farlin and Éireann and dúirt Olivia, great episode. And then this account has some really cool videos about derelict castles in Ireland agus is cúntas ar Instagram tar bhanam the cinematic country agus fág mu sin show notes más mála aonadul agus brathniúir sin.
Very good.
I follow them. Very good.
Yeah, I'm going to follow them.
Stunning,
yeah. Okay, deadly. And look, while we're on the notion of Patreon, there now we've been with a Curramach Agron Saresh Gach Deradine. We do a bonus episode every Thursday and it goes straight to our Patreon. So it's fatal at Sheena Sue, so the Sheena Sue's a Glockle Patreon, but do it through the Patreon website, not through Apple, because it will cost you more. We have different tiers with slightly different benefits. So if you want to stay footloose, you can also make one purchase of single eps or €3 on Kyown. And if you want to sign up for the year, there's a 10% discount. On Jack and Chakasha, Rinnemer, our monthly Q&A. So Mas Miliv Keshna, or sorry, Fraggreen again, it's all waiting for you over on Patreon.
There you go. No.
That's it. Also, lads, Camera Raga Willamwood in full video. So, listen, if you're coming for nothing else, Doireann might bring out one of her little handbags and give us an owl twirl before the episode is out. You can also see the T-Lena Das.
Yeah, okay. How else will we know where Doireann is if we can't see her T-Lena, you know?
No.
You know, agus beg Misha actually in Merachal Tacht and going, oh well, yeah, I will be. And I'm going to have to get a matching t-shirt of where I'm going to be.
Yeah. By Misha in Noonagal. I'll wear my Donegal jersey.
Leather Hall. But yeah, Leverdall, go agus Beelin in full video. And sure, if you want to leave us an owl comment, lads, or a 5-star review, sure, we love them as well. Gurmagov.
Now, topic na seachtaine seo. Topic the Shachtan Show Carlini, inspired by an Obertar Shilgam Hallensa, is how to stage an ambush.
Oh,
what do you think of that?
I'm ready to go.
I've been waiting on instructions. Yeah, do you know?
Okay, well, I think friend of the podcast, agus Caroling, Davy Holden, Tugan Check Hershey's really ma on ambush arhe William shit kind. So I'm gonna let him do the explaining or do spire, right? Hello, hard gael, Tama Tahu of O Central Park. Now, Tama chun piece of Davy a hind Divinish. Tama actually chun rudbog nisbo Ola Shavorti Chama because I want to give you full context of the Central Park ambush. So, Shahid Davy Holden with the brief.
Did you know there was an IRA ambush right here at Central Park in New York City? In early 1921, during the Irish War of Independence, Cork was under martial law. IRA volunteer Paddy Kruxy O'Connor was caught with a weapon and arrested. Facing execution, he gave away the location of some IRA safe houses, and this resulted in the Black and Tans storming an IRA safe house in Ballycannon, County Cork, and executing 6 young Irishmen. Kruxy fled Ireland for London, and then from London to New York, and 3 men of the Cork IRA followed him. He started working in this building, which was a B. Altman & Co. department store on the corner of 5th Avenue and 34th Street. But one day he spotted the 3 Cork IRA men scoping it out, so he stopped going to work. The IRA found Kruxy's address on the Upper West Side of Manhattan. At 8 p.m. on the 13th of April 1922, the men were standing diagonally across from Kruxy's apartment. Kruxy left his apartment on West 83rd and took a left on Columbus Avenue, heading for 84th Street. It was here that he spotted the IRA men and bolted for Central Park. As he reached the wall outside Central Park, Danny Healy, in full public view, gunned him down on the street. He collapsed right here at the corner of 84th Street and Central Park West. A crowd gathered around his body and he was rushed to the hospital. Amazingly, after taking 4 bullets, he lived. The 3 IRA men, Danny Healy, Martin Donovan and Pa Murray, made it back to Ireland safely. And this was the ambush at Central Park, New York City.
Okay, now apologies. Primarily our size Cnocon, Biog and Sarah Central Park, and it is extremely sweaty. But anyway, to make an irachta just round up a hortive ar an scale show, right? But to like fi Mishigiri on Pudchrela of Anu ar an IRA ambush in Central Park, but near Higme, Gurv Winchelleshin 1st Brigade a Gunta Churki, which actually Winchelleshin le Gaelta Foscri and Osh Gurbastam of Winter Kane. So to understand the story, you actually also need to firstly understand the story of Cúl na Carach. It was one of the largest ambushes to happen during the War of Independence. And the IRA were lying in waiting for days to intercept this routine patrol that the Auxies were taking locally. Timple counter Cúl na Bhuachaig agus counter Cúl na Carach. They had a blockade in the middle of the road, which meant that they had to pass, the Auxies would have to pass a certain way, and the IRA had a few lads on machine guns lying in waiting. Now, our man, Paddy Kruxy O'Connor, the man who was ambushed here in Central Park, was actually an English spy, okay, and he was one of the men who was manning the machine guns in Cúl na Carach. He was on the low machine gun, and another man called Johnny Owen, who would be a distant relative of mine, not to brag, was on the high machine gun. And when they had obviously been weeks and months planning this attack, and when it came down to it and the Auxies came and they had gone past the blockade and they were coming down the route that was planned for them, the low machine gun, the Kruxy's machine gun, jammed. Maria, sorry, there's a van standing up here behind me. It jammed and he went out into the road and it nearly compromised the whole operation. But the IRA opened up on the Auxies anyway, and they killed around 16 or 17 Auxies, and they make out that Johnny Owen killed 13 of them, or in and around that. Now, they all scatter, they run away because they're afraid, obviously, that they'll be killed themselves, and Kruxy abandons his machine gun on the low part of the road that he stationed. So Johnny Owen looped around the whole area again, and he came back and crawled up when the place was alive with Auxies. They were all like tending to their dead and their injured. And he crawled in, unbeknownst to them, and got the machine gun back, right? And realised that the machine gun, the story that Paddy Kruxy was putting around was that the machine gun was jammed, and that's why he ran out in the middle of the road, but actually hadn't jammed at all. That was just his story, and he was trying to warn the Auxies. So they knew that he was an implant and a spy. So this all happened in Gaeltacht Fuscree. The synchronicity of this for me now, you've no idea. Sorry guys, I'm on the move now because there's a band playing to hear them. But anyway, Harla Liochan Cúl na Carach a mi feara neideg fehéan, right? A mi Martha neideg fehéan, their suspicions on Kruxy are fully confirmed because there is a raid by the Black and Tans, and there were supposed to be 7 IRA men hiding in a safe house in O'Keefe's Yard in Clogheen. It turns out that there actually is only 6 because Dan Healy, a very lucky Kool-Aid man, was called home. His father was sick that night, and so Kruxy was responsible. He was there with the Tans when they raided this safe house. The 6 lads were taken away, and he went missing then for a couple of days, Maria, but they knew at that stage. He came back with a badly beaten and a black eye, and he had some cock and bull story, but they knew at that stage he was a spy, and so there was nothing else for him, but he fecked off to America. And between the jigs and the reels, they came and found him here around the Central Park ambush. They were following him for days, his movements. And actually the interesting part about this story, the interesting thing about this story was that apparently the lads had been ordered, the IRA men who came over here to plug him had been ordered, listen, you're not to do that. And they directly defied the orders and they said, no, this is local business. We're going and we're gonna get this fella. They shot him several times. He survived. There's loads of different stories. It's very hard to make out what exactly happened. Some accounts say he died later of his injuries. Others say he escaped and got to Canada. It's hard to know. He obviously kept a very low profile after that, if he did survive, for fear that they would come after him again. But it's so mad. I didn't know that any of this had anything to do with Gaeltacht Fuscree, but sin scéal agus má tá breil gan bíoch agus bhfuil is go bhéh tréis Liochan Cúl na Carach the bhí an counter ar fad ó bhacrama siargadí cnic hirí sair os na Tans. That's what they say, that after the Cúl na Carach ambush, the auxiliaries and the Tans wouldn't dare to venture beyond Macroom, and so that area as far as the Kerry Mountains were kind of under free reign by the IRA. So there you go. Sinna gaibh scéal an Central Park ambush agus an slant Gaeltachta atá air. Who would have known it? Now, Colleen, what do you think of that?
It's For all of Davy Holden.
I know that Davy Holden deadly. I keep meaning to, I'm going to take a little saunter down because to share in Tevella done, to share in Upper East Side because to share in Upper West, so I'm going to take a little saunter down. Actually, better Trish, I'm knowing enough. Abrahar comes from our talk, Kruxy Ibra. But it's mad on Nascata Ider Star New Arach, like Star na Heron, like that there was an IRA ambush in fucking the Upper West Side, like that is wild.
Wild, I know. Agus nuair liwig tú den céad óir linné, near Adrian Clushcom, Fui Shohana, I have to say, had never heard of it. Agus is mad na an tashler fod of Yuck Dainta shears to lay the shit. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's a long way to go for an ambush.
Girl, it's a long way to go. They put you to shame now, Shiva. They'd be, listen, imagine, we'll have to go investigating to see was there any IRA ambushes in Thailand.
Well, I think Canaan and
If
Shake
I must.
If you must.
Big deal though, doesn't it? Like, I feel New York, like, you know, like Davey said there, it was first London, then New York, and like that was just the real Irish thing. That was the route, like, wasn't it really? To go,
Yeah.
I guess if you were a Gaelu on here, you'd probably go London first, then it would be New York or whatever. And
Yeah, well, it's mad. Like, I'm going to spit you some facts here now. But the majority of Irish immigrants, if you fágant éire a casa an chiad casa, so those shacklin fihidi, were Mana, Oga, Shingle. Okay, so biniad forward and size profile done immerkoch éirnach. I casa an chiad casa, vi ochto kuig finged is na Mana, a vi chimad, a Brizun, Stash, nu Aurach, in the Brizunahe, Buinen éirnache. Which is fucking wild.
Kate the Don? Over in Kate the Don?
Ochto kuig finged, dus na Brizunig Buinen, about Brizunig éirnache. Agus vider choma mar an grúpa etnach ismo a bhí buinteach le sex work and so chahar chama.
Jesus.
We made dear kind of raw cod quick a grocery to frizzun and I shin kind of an core smo.
No, no.
Erica. Okay.
Well, I mean, I still have like the Anachud, obviously sex work charges and chama, but no, it was, you know, a good the see the Anna still have because girls size rod akmach of yan chama, you know, Dina v Goberg or Dina more la raw of the Anachud size nuances and domestic servants about four this na manashin ach the Anachud a cosat is the sex work trade. But anyway, the point of it being like, I know they say like, oh, you know, this city's run by the Irish, and you know, to say trash diluting anachid like blianta bioga knows. But I think it's mad like a core hamore shin of New York in the 1920s, like that there was on irid shin like Irish activity and IRA activity chamakena, and like if you come in the man the IRA if you lahedi John Devoy sees on her father operating machas new era, which is wild.
Yeah, I suppose Bader v Sirsha in New Arach stuff yen of Nakvyak. Cadahara, you wouldn't have gotten away with it near, and also Nismo arrogant le fall. Maybe were they tapping into that to get the American money and to send it back to the boys Savale?
Yeah. I think our Inishman Scales and Hannah Mieller, Eamon De Valera and Harry Boland collecting the Russian Tsar's jewels. Did I?
Yes, that's a good story. Yes.
Yeah, a wild story. But yeah, Visha Shinan Gamorix, Vi Anachud Disna, like you know, Rave Loda him, Mora Lara, Lahady Park, Mac Pierce, Margaret Skinder, all these lads, they were all coming over and giving lecture series over here to the Irish Americans to fundraise money. So huge amount, obviously, of the money and support for the Republican effort. Satir, Hanashe, New Aurach primarily, but then obviously, you know, Auten Alex, Detroit and Boston and Philadelphia and, you know, Vina Hernick, Susakashis. Do
you know what? Visha Klishta, like, I guess it's a tale as old as time, like, Ni Rev on Arrogate in Aaron, so Vir who Dolagus Narrogate all Tella, so they were clever to go and to get, you know, when you think about it, like.
Oh, 100%. And it's kind of like, I'm telling you now, I was shocked at vi meg imach de chud na lads on Drown Darug and son of Denny Glor na Mona and vi anachud dina aun vi buintach les as agriochti agus common Pobletánach and so chahar, and like I was shocked at the language that they were using, because I was like, there's no way you'd get away with that language at home. They're like, oh, when the Brits did this and the Brits did that, and I was like, Jesus, we would never talk so overtly. Like this is the Americans were obviously saying it, not the Irish lads. But I was like, you'd never get away with using language like that at home, or you just wouldn't talk like that. But it's mad that we have become so PC with all that, but over here they've no bother saying things out, you know?
Yeah, Tasha Shinashtuk. Oh my God, no, you wouldn't say that at all.
No. Well, yeah, I mean, rightly or wrongly, I said, like, I suppose maybe we're kind of forced to look at, it's very easy when you're detached from a political landscape, and we're obviously trying to deal with, creating a shared island. So it's not really helpful language for anybody to start talking like that,
Yeah, similar though. And are you on the trail of this at the moment in New Ireland? Are you kind of actively going to all of the spots, and like, do you find now that you're there, like, that you want to,
Oh my God, I'm so... Yeah, I spent the last couple of days I'm working on all the archives and going up to, like, talking to my Dulgary upstate New York to meet this man who has, like, loads of personal archive, relation to his family. I don't know how much of my jock I can talk about Gafold, but it's basically about female revolutionaries from Ireland that were forced into political exile. But like those suascity upstate New York, Kruxy, at the Medul Macri, Yonkers and Tacht and Shachuing, and all that kind of stuff is very, like, I suppose Ubertide, like, that's all stuff that I'm, very, very impassioned by. So to Mayana, and there's so much of it here, and people are mad to support you. It's mad, like, because they're really passionate about it. And so
Well, the question I really need answered, Doireann, is: are you planning to stage an ambush?
Well, listen, I'll tell you, we have to go back to poor old Kruxy O'Connor, because this is mad, right? I didn't realise so bhí Kruxy O'Connor an a bhaintach leis an iireachtain timpeall counter bhúscarí, timpeall iarthar chorcaí, where the flying column was really, really prominent. And, like, buine sé seo anachod beidir den taide bhíor siúil gom sa gomar PhD chama. But what's mad about it was one of this big suspecting... So this man, Kruxy O'Connor, was, like, very involved in... there was a lot of suspicion around him because he was jumping sides the whole time. He was trying to play both sides, and there's a lot of suspicion created around him because of that. But Countess na himachtaí is mó a dardig kind of, Dina in a hay of being like, what the fuck's this man at? Was Cool na Carach, which is the big famous ambush timpeall counter bhúscarí agus the siad fós a caintear an tamar fad agus actually bheith mó na UG Johnny Owens. Oh, did I send you, Louise, tracks before of Doireann O'Sullivan, the Shannon singer?
You did, yeah.
Yeah, I did. So they'd be top Antine Lumsa post the Stachgadi Wintry Hulavan. But anyway, they're all the one family, Eugene Johnny Owens. And Eugene Johnny Owen was the man he was manning the machine gun at the Coolnacarach ambush, and it ended up in 7 deaths of the auxiliaries. But they thought that it should have been more, and they think that this fella, Kruxy O'Connor, had, like, kind of intercepted to minimalise the damage that would have caused. So it's mad. The psychology of that is fucking bananas, isn't it? To be, like, involved in something and then to play both sides and then to run away to London and New York. Like, it's just wild, isn't it?
So did he play both sides, or was he, like, tortured into giving amnica?
Well, they make out that he was playing both sides. They had suspicions about him for a while.
Okay.
They had suspicions about him for a while. I mean, how do you prove it? Everybody's going to deny, But
Yes.
but we do know. Sure, listen, the tale as old as time. Even if we go into, like, the history of the North, that was a real tactic that the English always used, which was either getting someone to inform or making it look like they informed. That was a really, really big war tactic that they really perfected it over in Kenya and in all their war efforts in like the horrors that unfolded in North Africa. And it was a real tactic that they used the whole time to manipulate people in war situations.
And to get people to inform, knock miok sheet, like, orinthe, like, thought vyuk clown on the show fui vulgar taku, new vyuk kind of, I don't know, income on the, I don't know, like, vyuk sheet, a geary sailing the show scrissa, agus shin and brew occur their to turn informer.
Well, I mean, yeah, that's that shin and scale, isn't it? Isn't that what's the line in
Turn informer or I'll kill you. Kevin Barry answered no. Yeah.
Well, there you go. I mean,
I know.
this is it. Like, what do you think would you be if you were fucking put up against it?
Oh, I'm so weak. I don't know.
Nah. I know.
Well,
Yeah.
like, ní malam peeing. So if it was a torture situation, I've no idea. Cadierhin, I've no pain tolerance threshold. And
Yeah.
like, mas really great to occur the clown, the high look fui vogert. Is stoka, like, ni me reef heishavet, gos gorev me kind of like really agus like Nockalatarum kind of like trade your son kusha gerbe mo here new mo. Do you know, it's never been a life and death scenario for me. So nilisagum agus me
I know, it's so easy for us three white millennial women sitting in our homes here, like recording our podcast.
I know. Well, does it talk to clarify like, and it's probably like, what age was this Kruxy fella? Probably VJ. Oh, Rama, was he very young man?
I don't know. I actually don't know.
No.
Yeah, I actually don't know what age he was. Hang on there now till I find out. I have no idea. They
I
were
often
all
feel like making
were
those
young men.
decisions. That's it, like, and having to make a decision like that, agus too fair, no fair though, like, she'll begin to like, oh, gagas, I don't know.
I know, but no, I do think if you were a staunch, if you believe in something enough,
you'd die.
To get like, I'm sorry, you're not like, I have no respect for people that are like, you know, like you can develop your feelings about something and develop your thought process, but I've no respect for somebody being like, blah, 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 and then like will just back down when they come under any kind of, you know.
No, God, no. Like, I think Mata Boggart, like.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
And imagine coming over to New York as like a hitman in the 1920s. Like, that's fucking joke.
Skeharash and a Scockard in one piece.
Well, sure, they would have had allies all over the city. But I just think that's mad. Imagine coming from like the back of beyonds of West Cork and then coming into like the fucking biggest city in the world to murder somebody.
Sorry, like, no wonder the songs are so good from that time. It was like, look what they were writing about.
I know.
Passion. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, 100%. There's us talking about like, oh sure, you know, I was at
will I pay extra so that I've more leg room on the plane?
I
we book into the lounge in Aer Lingus. I love the champagne before I go. I know.
I know, it's fucking mad. It is mad. But I know, but I think as well, it's so funny. Like, we think, I've had this conversation so many times, but we do think that we're like so developed in our thinking because we live in the age of TikTok and we live in the age of whatever. But like, we're so ignorant to like, you know, society has been a very fully formed thing for a very long time. And I also think as Irish people, we do really like to pontificate, being like, oh, you know, my grandfather was in the Easter Rising, blah, blah, blah. If you want to know what stance you would have taken politically and what you would have done, it's like what you're doing right now in the face of fucking mass genocide and like the demise of freedom of the press. Mm-hmm. You know?
Yeah. Don't carry it gut.
So, sin me scéil meall an ambush, Colleen, I don't know, Cathy Capship, what an input to give you now, chuige.
Well, on Kesh Talk, I'm worth really is Cadéan fear scale there, and why have you really escaped over to New York yourself? Are you working undercover for anyone? Is there anything you need to admit?
I can't say a word about that. I can't say a word about that. I'm going to say fucking nothing.
Can't confirm or deny.
Can't confirm or deny. Yes. Mm-hmm.
I know. Touch it on the
the lads an tror dimig tras na go nua Eric leis an ambush yenov like well is going call war there on target leis an yenov or was it on na muina hori in Nua Eric?
Oh, it wouldn't have been on Muina Hori Nua Eric. No, I'd say sure they would have had absolutely. I like sure, you know, they probably got money from the Nagan to pay the fare, then they were probably put up over here by you know, friends of the IRA, and then, you know, harassed. But sure, it wouldn't have been big money. Like, they would have been going over pro bono.
Yeah,
you know,
and then sorry, Kesh probably Anno look Keiko Oddisker Glock chase and Leighton Shindle Trust and Nua Eric.
I think well, a braher Cadéan size, you could get like an express voyage, or you could get, you know, another voyage that might like take upwards of a month, depending on how much money you had and what kind of ticket you could buy.
Jesus.
Oh,
yeah. Deal this co-op with Kruxy.
Yeah. See, I mean, you could make the trip to New York in 10 to 15 days, or it might take you a month, depending on how much money you had to buy. And you know,
Galacum Lesh knock around a lad's show in first class.
Well, you know. I Glacum Lesh. Yeah.
So, Jesus. Look, our son Nakusha, you know?
Our son na cúise, look, while we walk around, Kermesi was couple of pick our Instagram how to gail dus na Siavana and we'll Ryan meet Rud Davy, chuma, real Davy.
Absolutely.
So deadly. He's so much star meowler new arach. It's fucking class. Like, and star really, really airnach agus like glúiseach na gailge agus like tá chun na gailge fó still really, really lauder Helen so branchy de friúla de Helen Brooklyn and
yeah.
Yeah.
We may cut all like nura hosted cut na gailge like for their anaquid da arrogant o verica coma, you know, like Kruxy thini trasna agus scríbh she'd litrica trasna agus for their anaquid da we knew o verica ag thús the Gaelic League in Nídeag Octo Tree and then or sorry Octag No Tree even
Yups and Yochs na seachtainna?
Yup na seachtainna, I think it needs to be na Gael Galéir of Iar na Sráidna London supporting Machara as we record. Today is the day an Ochtu Law Deag Mehev and it's all just gone down in Westminster and wasn't it unbelievable scenes lads Iar na Sráidna like it would make you like brodul.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Agus na cóirthaí live acu I saw ceanna chuir mé anna vinnic ar na man ho shield and you've not Liam's too pretty or sorry yeah Liam's too pretty for prison.
Oh my god! Did you hear Fogan Joanne being like, "Can't be on Limo," being like, "Oh, you know the hot one, Limo." They're like, they were like, "Oh, they're both really hot, but like they're all really
both.
Smoke."
But sure,
sorry, but your DJ Proby's wearing a balaclava.
Sorry,
so
sorry.
Take him. You know,
yeah.
We don't know what he looks like.
Doireann, yeah. Doireann go bhfuil Liam like the cute one.
Yeah, tá sé glóite.
But the pretty one.
He's so rizzy. Tá sé ar fád cho rizzy.
Oh, yeah,
They're the rizziest men you'll ever meet in your life. That is so attractive.
Deach sé có rizzy enough with the Ray-Bans and like
and Keffia.
Agus just bhí sé like agus bhí sé gaiire an timer fad and I was like isn't that lovely to see like just go raibh isige go raibh an méid sin takeíocht. You know, like simple there. That must have felt like Annie asked because Kai go will she scanner like you know it's grand to smile away but like in a cree I would say Kai go will aglair.
Yeah.
Agus so tá sé chun bheith arás I think mí lúnasa like an féidir lá bhí lúnasa but le hat teangara Gaeilge don sort. So this is rud like this was the last of the penal laws in Ireland. It only got lifted in fihe was on blian Dernock raibh na penal laws of Ayman Aaron gur úsáide Gaeilge sna cortna ó huí den céad or agus bhfuil cead sin dhéanamh. So níl seo ach really a bhaim ó fihe and is tóga is meru. Well, dumsa anyway, úsón is a rudí cosúla seo le meru dom hain kind of na ceartatanga atá agan ó yas atá si go fó like trader son ó huí go bhfuil sé de ceart agan play leis an stát é name go bunda ag play leis an stát nu le service pibli gohfuil sé de ceart go an service sin a lurg trí Gaeilge so má tá riomh a driblód leis na Gordaí má tú hééis ru ag an míid lagi an bh nu mudahfuil tá sé de ceart go rá nó gom leisceil tá mé gurí seo anana bh Gaeilge agus má tá tú sa cuairtena is féidir rá nó gom leisceil. Fiú má héú stracha stáisiú na Gordaí le fucin forum a híú is féidir sin a lur gas Gaeilge so agus like tá an 8 ann ó thuig ganis ach níl sé a bhaim so tá an tá an ó jaas stoca go bhfuil na service sin ar fáún agus bacordún éile bhú.
Yeah, náidir má penalty points scale.
Oh yeah,
there you go.
Penalty points gach about the mark me and a gale of na service in Gaeilge. So there you go. Tip yog.
Yeah, and Tain Kush Greg Lumsa and was screwed the Tamana was Margaret and Gaeilge and like he was like, hey Gael Ella, yeah.
There you go.
No, honestly.
Mo Yoch na seachtainna is tá mé absolutely cíapathe ag na fucking mosquito bites. So má tá éan laisgah ar chuna siad sunna sneasú like níos tapúla, please send them my way and if we law her marinating in a fucking layer of tan I'm just darug. It's not
tá sé bíon for anúsáidn tú dítar chur a bit.
No.
You know, I think our guy tú sin úsáid rivna bites but it's like preventative.
Yeah, I think you have to be preventative leis na mosquitoes for air.
Yeah.
Okay, strikety CVS Tricia.
Yeah. Get a spray. Yeah. Because I don't think we'll more on Grafader yet of H na bites off.
I know.
For air. I know. Ní sin an scale of the but
oh no, I know, but on Rodis Jacra is like not to be itching them, agus, you know, nor tá sé peeing for agus itchy, and then I'd go picking them agus gachrod, and you'd end up with these big out scabs.
Yeah.
Torara.
Okay, gluish, will gluish give?
Unsi?
Yeah, Unsi Shingama, Curragail is like, you know, to back down or to
Yes.
Tá Ashter nó tros is de
Éilú.
Éilú,
Yeah.
sin can
Ní scethe.
yes ó sin can an bha
Líachán a dhéanamh. Sin
Yes.
ambush.
Ambush.
Yeah.
Líachán.
there you go fair play van nach bhfuil duine ar chuine be mit ar fad revolutionized
Hey.
okay give an tacht an screwing
Yeah, Aberlin mátá aonrad gur bhhailh a leirlinn faoi ón episode seo chur rifoscún at hgoil@gmail.com agus chur tú an gora agus is féidir é lé ar episode na seach na se thugan. Agus gur mágad fáilte Ireland as muoú dhéanamhn mars gná.
Yeah.
okay
Slán a cóir.